I, Atul Kumar Bhatnagar, welcome you all in this e-lecture. This e-video is prepared for the student of BSc Part 3rd. In this video, we shall discuss laboratory work. The experiment of inorganic preparation or synthesis, or topic is synthesis of nickel dimethyl glyoxime complex. How this complex is prepared in the laboratory, we shall discuss in the detail, and also discuss regarding the reporting of this exercise in your exercise book. Now we shall start it. In our notebook or exercise book, we have got two pages. One is blank and other is lined one. So you have to report some of the topics on blank pages and some of the topics on line pages. How you have to report, we shall start it. On line, first of all, we shall start from the line page. On the top, you have to write down experiment, then date of the experiment. Now we come to the objective. What is the objective of our experiment? So synthesis of nickel dimethyl glyoxime complex is our topic, or we shall synthesize nickel dimethyl glyoxime. So this is our objective. To accomplish this objective or to achieve this objective, we require certain chemicals. So next point is our requirement of reagents or chemicals, or reagent and chemicals. First thing we required is nickel chloride 3 gram, dimethyl glyoxime dissolved in alcohol 25 ml, and this solution should be of 1% solution. Ammonia solution 1:1. That means half of the ammonia liquid dissolved in half of the or same amount of the water. Alcohol 5 ml. These are the chemical requirement to complete this exercise. We also need certain equipments like beaker, glass rod, water bath, Buchner funnel, etc. So these are the basic requirement to complete to perform this experiment. How we shall perform this experiment, what is the method of preparation, that we shall discuss now. This is the reaction. This is dimethyl glyoxime reacting with nickel ion forming nickel dimethyl glyoxime complex. Method for the preparation is we take 3 gram of nickel chloride, and that nickel chloride is dissolved in 100 to 125 ml of water taken in a beaker of 500 ml capacity. We dissolve this compound nickel chloride and warm this solution up to 70 to 80 degree Celsius temperature so that nickel chloride is completely dissolved in the water. To this solution, we add 20 to 25 ml of 1% solution of dimethyl glyoxime. This addition is done very slowly, dropwise, so that reaction between dimethyl glyoxime and nickel chloride can be completed and yield a good yield can be obtained. This is the addition of 1% solution of dimethyl glyoxime. Then we add 1% solution of ammonia, and this addition too is added dropwise. Shake the mixture well so that reaction can be completed. This addition of ammonia is done till we get a smell of ammonia from the reacting mixture. When we start smelling ammonia from the reacting mixture, we stop addition of ammonia. By addition of ammonia, we get a red precipitate in the reacting mixture. This solution containing red precipitate is heated for 20 to 30 minutes on a water bath. A red precipitate which is obtained settles down. Then we add a few drops of dimethyl glyoxime to ascertain the precipitation is complete. Reaction is complete. No further precipitation formation should be there. If no precipitation is formed, we are certain reaction is complete. Now keep the solution 30 minutes aside and let the precipitate settle down. Thereafter, this precipitate is filtered by a Buchner funnel. Precipitate obtained on the Buchner funnel is washed two to three times or twice to thrice with a cold water. So any byproduct or any impurity attached to the precipitate can be washed out. Finally, we wash it with alcohol and then we dry the precipitate. This is the precipitate of nickel dimethyl glyoxime, and yield of this precipitate should be around 6 gram, maybe slightly lesser than 6 gram, but we should get 6 gram of nickel dimethyl glyoxime. This is the experiment or preparation or synthesis of nickel dimethyl glyoxime in the laboratory. Thank you.